We need to run.
This is run.
This is where we run.
Oh boy.
We gotta go! Okay, let's play some spooky games.
Can someone remind me that I have cake in the oven? I'm gonna end up forgetting.
I know
We did the test! We did the test!
Hold on.
We did the test. We can see the test when Eddie shows us the video.
Where's the echo? Where's the echo right now?
We'll see the echo when Eddie
Where
gets
is
this video done.
Everyone just join
Where
my
is it?
Just you wait. Just you wait in 2 months when I post another video. Yeah, no, first you just get into the game and then join my code. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The code is AD6IT.
Shut up!
Nope. Said it once, not repeating it. You get one last chance, and then I
guess you'll
close
be
my
playing
mouth.
by your fucking self.
Yeah,
No. I want to play with my
Wait,
friends.
where's the
code?
game? It's just a black screen.
Oh,
Yeah, I got a black screen. You gotta wait.
Just just quit out of it until you're not in a black screen. Cause the fuck is some
6IT.
Join that fucking game.
Who the fuck are these people? Okay, someone make a room.
Monochrome Studios.
Oh wait, no, Brian, leave.
With a picture of a polar.
Ryan, leave!
Who the fuck is Cole?
Where it says
At the
join.
main menu of Roblox.
Okay, does it say?
Okay,
Oh,
no.
Why?
Brian, go into the game. Go into Apeirophobia. Are you there? Must we hold your hand, Brian?
How do you spell Apeirophobia?
Christ, Brian. If you go, there should be a section where it says recently played, and that game should be in there.
No, it's not.
What
Oh
game
my
were you
God.
in? Apeirophobia.
Don't do that.
All right, now go to
Join it.
Yeah, go where it
He
says
looks like Slender Man.
go to where it says
not
room
Slender
code.
Man.
Brian, let me talk.
Wait, was the room code said?
No.
No, I'm waiting
never
for
said it.
Brian.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna say my room code.
No,
Ready?
Brian. We can't even join your game. Period.
Okay. Room code is YAT0X.
Please spell yacht for us, Brian. Okay, just go there. I'll make the game. Okay.
I'm ready.
Before you do it,
It's already here. It's already here. Okay, everyone's at the keys.
Go.
S28DX.
S28DX.
Yes.
8 or A?
8.
God.
Brian, just join. S28DX. Okay. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god.
I don't know why I'm clapping, but thank God.
Oh my god.
Start this up so we can.
All right, let's do this. All right, gentlemen. Everyone, we walk at first. Remember, it's A to run. You just have to press it. No holding.
Wait, can I turn my audio up?
RT to crouch.
Yeah,
Yes, Brian.
do whatever you
like
want.
now.
Oh shit! Oh, back up! Back the fuck up! Back up! Leafy, it's right behind you.
I know.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
There's another.
I just got killed.
Oh my god!
Jesus, save me, please!
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Yes, I want to
killed.
respawn.
Leafy, where are you?
Bro, I swallowed my stomach.
Oh fuck!
No.
Oh god,
That thing that makes your screen all blurry is chasing after me.
It's close. That means Eddie's close. Oh god.
Stop scaring me.
No!
Whistle.
God damn it! I died.
Whistle.
You guys are behind me.
Close.
No, they can whistle too.
Oh, guys, there's a jangly man coming to you.
I'll beat it.
Why do I spawn next to it? Oh, hi, Brian's dead body.
Go.
Hey, what the fuck?
Maybe you just disappear out of sight.
Boys, we don't. When we run, we gotta go in one direction where we all go together. We
Yes.
split up when we run.
Look.
Yeah, don't split
Eddie.
up.
Lead us.
Suck out my big fat man cheese, bitches!
Me?
Stop whistling. They whistle too.
All we gotta do is just find an arrow. We find an arrow and we should be chilling.
I'll look behind us. Okay, there was something to the right there. Maybe not. Nope, I'm just kidding. Maybe that's my imagination.
Gotta go over this wall.
My audio's up there. It's high.
My
Oh my.
Oh, Eddie's hallucinating.
Alright, we must check all these walls for arrows. Oh, what?
Brian, stop.
Okay. Sorry, there was something behind us.
Who fucking
Who
did that?
just fucking whistled?
Okay, boys.
Let's go.
I'm just trying to. No, get the fuck out of the way! I'm trying to pull up my camera. I see your dumbass face.
How do you pull up your camera?
The. I don't know.
Something's fucking crying, bro!
What do you mean?
Calm down.
wait,
Calm
no,
down.
it's
You're
crying.
freaking out
Calm
right
down.
now.
Calm
No,
down. Leafy, just let us gaslight you, please. You're hearing
where'd you
nothing.
go?
What?
Where did?
Oh, I was about to say. I thought we disappeared. What's going on, YouTube? Today we're gonna be filming the Backrooms. We got. Hey, boys.
Okay.
Let's go through this way.
All I know is we
Who
gotta go
whistled?
this
Who
direction.
fucking whistled?
Nobody
Not
did.
me.
Nobody.
Not
It's
me.
one of them.
Not me.
Oh, boys, light flickered in this direction.
Oh shit, boy, purple light,
One might
purple
be
light,
here.
purple light.
Boys,
Wait, where are you?
boys.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Leafy, turn around! Leafy, turn around!
Where?
Leafy, stop moving.
Boys,
Leafy,
I'm freaking scared.
stop!
Okay.
Holy fucking
I'm
shit!
freaking out. I'm freaking out.
Run!
Crouch right here. Crouch. Okay. Where's Brian?
Turn off your flashlight, turn off your
Whoa,
flashlight.
Good stuff,
Oh,
boys.
okay, God.
This is good,
God,
this is
everybody
good.
crouch. Okay.
Who fucking
Stop
did that?
whistling. Looks so fucking
That's
stupid.
down there.
Noah, back the...
Get out the hole!
Go, run! God fucking...
Okay.
I got God.
Ew.
Alright, whistle for me.
Eddie, it was out the way out.
The thing.
Boys, whistle for me.
Go.
I'm out.
Oh shit, I got teleported too. Oh my god, holy f***. What the fuck is that?
I'm just gonna
What
save
the
my
f*** is that?
energy.
Guys,
Okay,
go,
this is what
go,
we're gonna do.
go, no, run!
What do you mean go?
No, I'm just kidding, there's nothing there.
I know this one.
Water.
We need to hit these little
Leafy,
things right here.
we're
Look,
in the
look.
sewers, the Ninja Turtles.
Right here. You see these little bullet
Wait,
things?
what?
We need to spin those. But
Okay,
there's
watch
something
out.
in the, there's
Okay.
something here. There's something here with us too.
There's something in the way.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I can't.
That's it.
Guys, there's something down that hall. There is something
X,
down that
X,
hall.
X.
X. Okay. Boys, look for the little turn things.
Guys.
Oh,
Alright, we got
You
one,
guys
we got
gotta
one.
watch.
Does anyone
Where-
see anything
Brian!
down that hall?
yes, Brian.
Yes, there's
Okay,
something in here with us!
Listen to me. Each time we...
Go this hole!
Run!
What the f is that? Kill the raid! Oh my god!
Hallucination.
Alright, I think I know where we get
Jesus Christ.
Boys, is it open yet?
No,
No.
there's gonna be an
Okay.
alarm blaring. Come on.
Guys, where are you?
Swim. Go to the exit. You're gonna have to swim.
I made it.
Where the fuck is
You gotta
the
be
exit?
careful.
Okay.
Oi!
Eddie.
Oi!
Brian,
Guys.
come on.
Can someone whistle? Oh,
Boys, be careful. I
Hey.
can hear something still.
The Ninja Turtles, Leafy.
I hope you die.
Yeah!
Boys, we're making progress.
We're all gonna get slammed.
dude, the monster was right behind me too.
Skip.
Can you imagine if it followed him down? Oi, mate, you guys don't want to see the cutscenes? Whoa, no, we're back.
What is the cutscene anyway?
Oh, we're
I
back.
don't
Wait,
know.
no, it's different. It's different. It's
Shit.
different. There's other levels now.
What does it say?
Itching.
Hole in the roof.
A snail comes out of a vent, I guess. We have to...
What?
Look at it. Look,
That's a hat.
that is not a hat. That's a fucking snail.
That's a trucker hat.
Why can't I? Okay, there we go.
Noah, back your fucking big
That's
yellow banana
literally-
ass out of here. That...
Sorry.
Oh, that is a hat.
The tutorial
look,
started with
I've
LS.
seen this. I've seen this before.
Yo, this hotel is an actual place. What's down here? Oh no, nothing.
Alright, boys, remember, we have to find a snail.
Careful
A
not to
trucker
lose your
hat.
stamina.
You have to find a trucker hat. Don't listen
Oh
to Eddie.
shit!
Oh, shit.
Oh god.
Okay, wait. I don't think we should go down here. I think.
All right,
yeah,
let's
I
do
don't
it.
think we go down.
Oh, well,
Oh, never mind.
well, I guess you're right.
All right, this is an ear, an eye, and a rock.
Your eye rock. Okay.
Looks like
it's
Slenderman.
no, wait, guys. What? No, you fucking idiot. It's
It's
no.
a face. I know.
No,
It's a face.
no, it's not a face at all. It's saying no sight, but it can hear all.
Boys, down the hallway. Okay, crouch.
Wait, if
Brian,
it can
back
if it can hear all.
He doesn't care.
Don't, guys, don't make a single sound. Don't make a single sound.
Don't move. Nobody move.
Dude, I'm moving.
Oh, that's it. Just don't move. Do not move.
That's it.
We gotta get something for the gram, guys.
He's coming over. He's getting really
Hey,
close.
buddy.
He's getting really close.
No, Eddie, shut up, please, bro. I'm sweating my balls off. Noah, stop!
Crouch, Noah! Crouch!
Why is Brian no clipping in the locker right now?
Because I'm hiding in it.
You are not hiding in that shit. Oh,
Stop.
Oh,
Eddie, where is he? Where is he?
I ain't got no clue, but I'm gonna hide in this locker.
no, it is
I'm
not
looking
right
down. I'm looking down in real life too.
Oh fuck. Oh yeah, yeah, because it's definitely gonna jump through the screen, Humphrey. Brian.
No, where's the keys up there?
Hold on. Hold on.
No.
Stop.
Okay, go on,
Oh, holy fuck. Holy
Stop,
fuck.
stop!
Hey, buddy. Mind getting stuff for the gram? He's just staring at us. Holy fuck.
Ah, stop moving!
Okay, how much do we need? How much locks do we need?
2.
1, 2.
Stop moving! Stop moving!
Let's go.
Okay.
Stop.
Team.
Let's go.
Noah, stop! No, he's chasing us!
coming after you!
How much you guys want to bet that this guy doesn't even affect? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Noah! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He just fucking killed him! He stabbed Leafy! I'm just trying to. No, get the fuck out of the way! The Ninja Turtles! Noah, back your fucking big yellow banana ass out of here! Oh my god! He just fucking killed him! He stabbed Leafy! Noah, stop moving, Noah! Stop fucking moving! Oh shit, hey Brian, behind you, Brian.
Yeah, what's
Hey,
up?
Brian, boys.
Go back to
No,
the
but
gate.
he's right near you. He's right on you.
Noah.
Noah!
Oh my.
You know, think left.
Don't you ever listen,
Eddie,
Noah?
stop moving!
Oh my god.
Eddie, make a break for it. Make it a break for it. Make it a break for it. Open. Break for it, Brian. Break for it.
Fucking
Brian, stop! Red light, Brian, red light. All right.
Sniff me, I dare you. I dare you. Sniff me.
Imagine he just kills Noah. Nobody move. He's alerted to sound. Noah! Oh my god! He's staring at Brian. Holy
He's gonna kill me.
fucking
He's gonna
shit.
kill me. He's gonna
No,
kill
he's
me.
not, Leafy. We'll just use Noah as bait next time.
Screw you.
Eddie, door. No.
Yes! The door!
I'm out like Jesus.
Wait, hang on, Humphrey. I can't see. Hold my hand. Oh my.
Wait, where the hell are we?
These are dimensions to another portal. If we jump through them, we may come out mutated like Noah.
Whoa!
Wow! Oh my god!
What's going on?
Oh, okay. You can step on these. I'm following this blue pipe.
I'm just running around, seeing what I can see.
Yeah, keep whistling.
This is really annoying. Okay.
Alright, come here, boys.
Splitting in teams. Me and Brian, you and Noah.
Oh, what do I gotta do with the?
Alright,
Right,
Leafy,
we'll
you
go
and me,
last
let's go right.
All right, come on, no, we got this.
Oh,
Me and you.
wow.
Oh, okay.
thank
Let's
you.
go, Brian. Let's do this.
And it literally the.
Oh,
we did.
shoot.
We did all the. What the fuck?
Let's go into the void.
We did all that preparation just for it to be the exact same.
Oh, hell no.
No, what
nah,
the fuck?
Nah.
Are we in the mouth of a
How do I
giant?
get in here?
The tighter it goes.
I think I'm onto something. Hey, I'm onto something. I see a
Red
purple
light.
You
light.
are onto something.
Oh my god, the nether.
Good.
We literally
Good stuff,
found the
Brian.
nether.
Did we win? Wait, don't skip the cutscene. I want to see what happens.
Alright.
Eddie, I'm pretty sure there's like 400 levels.
No, there's not. There's like 8. What is this?
There's
What? Oh no, I know this level.
I can't see anything.
Boys,
Uh-oh.
we need to fucking
Run!
run.
This is run!
This is where we run.
Oh boy.
We gotta go!
Oh my Jesus!
Come on!
Is it actually behind us though?
Ah, Jesus! No,
Yes, it is.
no,
Yes, it is.
no,
Yes, it is. What?
Come on,
Fuck,
come
I'm
on,
exhausted! Boys, Libby, yes!
I'm exhausted.
Go.
Move!
Open the door! No, stay here!
Wrong way!
Oh my god, go! Oh my god! I'm trying to! Go! Go!
Isaac, shut the hell up! Damn!
I don't know what's happening right now.
I'm trying to go! I'm exhausted! Oh my god!
I can't focus. You guys.
Go!
I got caught! Bro, I need you to go, bro!
I am exhausted, Humphrey!
Jump!
Go, man. Just go. Please,
Oh my god.
I love how no one's not screaming anymore.
I can't scream. I can't even scream.
I'm exhausted.
I'm so scared I can't even scream.
Who the fuck is spectating? Oh, go! 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 I got God. Boys, this is up to you.
It's right there.
I seen it.
Leafy, why? Leafy, it's right on you. Leafy, it's right on you.
Crouch! Run! Weave! Jump!
Jump, Liffy!
Oh, dude, I literally
Oh my god!
This man in the fedora.
Run, Michael, run!
Leafy, don't do that right now. Don't do that right now. Leafy. Oh my god.
I'm tired.
Oh my god.
My dude's tired.
He's right there. He's right there, Leafy.
Go,
He's right there.
No, I'm not! I'm stuck! Go, Leafy, go!
Go, Liffy! Go, Liffy! You got this!
I literally
Noah!
This way, Noah, this way!
wrong way. Oh my god.
I'm out of energy.
Go!
You better not
Leafy, you have to keep on going. You have some decent distance behind him, but you just gotta keep on going.
Out of breath. Go! Do you know how to use your legs?
Go!
Oh my god.
You
actually made it.
Oh my god.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god.
Holy
Oh my
fuck.
god.
The Enner. Why are we in Barnes & Noble?
We gotta find a code.
It says 6 spheres. Noah, that's not right.
Guys. Oh, I got it.
Did you search it up, Edward?
Yes. Move out my way.
I know you fucking did.
Oh, I just opened it!
Let's go, Brian!
In the
Oi.
Backrooms is crucial to your survival. Alright, all this shit's worded out.
No.
Wait. Oh, I can turn the pages.
Dear Diary.
Entity hazard, Oh my god, guys, I just found a book of codes.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I seen it too.
A book of codes?
Yeah, I seen it too.
Yeah,
God damn it, there's so much shit.
I
And there's
did, yeah.
40 different codes. Which one?
Try them all.
Yep, every single one. I'm ready to hear it. What's the first one?
Alright, starting from the top. 1, 2, 4, 1.
And that is incorrect. 8890. Incorrect. Incorrect.
Shut up, Eddie.
Yeah, next.
8790.
Incorrect. Oh wait, correct.
Oh,
what?
shoot!
Let's go!
Good stuff, boys. Is this it?
Oh, there's a door. Bring out your camera. You get more light.
Wait. I can hear something.
Guys, there's definitely something here with us. Will you guys quit whistling?
Yeah, I would love that. No, I guess that means keep
Noah.
whistling.
There's something behind it. Nah, just kidding.
If you're over here, then who's over there?
I
there's like a long
got
ass
a bad
hallway over
feeling
here.
about this.
What the was that boom sound? Like the meme sound.
The vine.
What?
Somebody just heard a boom.
Boys, I hear some like
Something
AC
that way.
revving up.
You guys hear that?
Oh fuck.
That's it! No, what the? What's
Holy f***ing shit.
What is that thing? It's a big piece of crap. It's walking crap.
We just gotta find this ventilation system.
Stop whistling.
Will you
please.
quit whistling?
It's not me whistling.
I'm kind of scared, guys.
I'm
Can you
kind
look
of
it up?
scared. I didn't even see what it looks like.
I
It
hear
looks like the Michelin Man.
No, what the
that's
fuck?
fun.
It does not, Brian. If that's your depiction of the
Fucking liar.
Brian, the Michelin Man does not walk on all fours and is tall and black as hell.
Oh my.
God, it's another dead
I did hear
end.
the vine
Brian,
boom. I heard the vine boom.
Right? You heard it? Bro, I can feel it in my gut, bro.
Can y'all whistle so I can like know where you guys are?
I don't know. Can you stop whistling when all of us are together?
It wasn't me
Oh.
whistling.
It was me whistling. Oh shit, Livy.
And somebody got caught.
It's growling. Oh my god! I just
Yup.
heard someone got slashed.
Yeah, I mean,
Something's crying. Something's crying.
I think you're just hallucinating with it.
Eddie, I hope you kill yourself.
Leafy, I
yeah,
have
this way.
Nobody else hears the ground.
Yeah, I have a
Up.
perfect ears, Humphrey, and I don't hear anything.
And you didn't hear the vine boom until you heard it.
hear the pipe until you heard it.
I'm not gonna lie, I used to think the Michelin Man was like a 70s killer.
Why?
What?
The Michelin Man just sounds threatening.
No, it
The
doesn't.
mission.
No, it does not at all.
I thought he
Michelin
was
Man.
some kind of fat action hero.
You push out.
Damn, Leafy,
Why?
calm down.
I see it. No, I see it.
I didn't
Wait,
say
There's
it.
a green light. This.
Green light.
This
Go
is
down. Go down.
Go! Go, 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 go. Remember, what the fuck was that? Noah is so correct. It is literally a piece of shit.
No, it's Brian was right. It's the actual Michelin Man.
No, it's not. It's a piece of crap.
Yes, it is.
I do.
What the fuck? That's fucking Shaq running, bro.
No, it's bigger than fucking Shaq.
I don't
I
think
don't
anything's
see it.
bigger than Shaq.
I see something
I see
moving in
something
the distance.
moving.
I don't see any movement whatsoever.
Maybe
It
if we
looks
stay,
like
Already.
maybe if we stay in the light. Everyone go to their own circle, their own little light circle. Are they not attracted to
Oh,
lights?
hallucinations, hallucinations.
Oh shit.
Damn, that means I'm getting.
That means I'm
silly.
next.
God,
It's like a game of Russian roulette.
I got it. It's a lock and key. It needs a key.
Fuck. I don't think these guys
Maybe
are...
they don't like the light.
Okay, hang on. Can we take a pause? So, can someone turn off their alarm?
No, we can't. It's right there.
Someone turn off their alarm.
It's not me, dude. It's my father. I'm sorry. I cannot help. You.
Ah!
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
No.
Oh my god!
I'm spectating right now, but I still have one more life, so I might just ride this one out.
You're
I
such a
literally-
puss.
Okay, guys.
Way
All
over
right,
there.
guys.
He's
Guys.
way-
Guys.
He's where we
um,
just were.
All right, guys. Stop whistling. I'm gonna whistle.
Yes.
Alright, we did it.
All right.
Let's go, guys. Let's.
I got left behind in a lot.
Let us
Don't
come
talk
back.
like that.
Hey, look! It's Beetlejuice.
What does that even mean, Brian?
Never seen the movie. The house.
Of course
from
I did.
Beetlejuice.
Did you just compare this house to Beetlejuice?
This is.
No, I was comparing the
To be
painting to Beetlejuice.
continued. Join our community, man. Fuck
Fucking
this
man.
game. Fuck this stupid
Eddie, bring us to
game.
that one thing.
The Nico's next bots. Yeah, this game is.
What if I go up all the way these stairs?
I can't.
There's
Hold
no
on.
way.
There's no. I'm leaving. I'm sorry.
Yeah, this
There's
game
just
is-
no way. There's no way.
This game is so unplayable. All right.
Damn, that's sad. Ow!